Hi everyone, I'm Natasha from Sequence, the world's first financial routing platform. Sequence lets users create a money map, integrating and automating all their financial services, controlling them all from one place. Today we're going to walk you through the onboarding process. But before we start, if you want to learn more about Sequence, as well as finance and tech, hit the subscribe button below and the post notification bell to stay updated. Also, there's a link to our Discord community in the description below. Anyways, back to our video. You'll want to head to getsequence.io to sign up. And once you're here, you'll click Get Started. Now you'll want to create an account. Here you'll enter your email address and create a password. Don't forget to click this box after you've read our terms and conditions. Then click Sign Up. You'll be sent a code to your email that you'll need to enter here. Once you do, click Next. If you didn't receive a code, click Resend Code and you'll be sent a new one. And click Next. This page is really important because your financial safety and security are the biggest priorities for us. All your information is completely confidential and secure. We never share, sell, or distribute your data. And another important thing, Sequence ensures every deposit or transfer up to $250,000 through the FDIC member thread bank. And once you've read this part, click Next. Now it's time we get to know you. Here you'll need to fill in all your information, including your first and last name, date of birth, source of income, annual income, and occupation. Once you fill everything in, click Next. You'll need to provide us with your phone number. Reason being is we'll be able to send you any important updates about your account. Fill this information out and click Next. You'll receive an SMS with a code. Once you receive it, enter it in and click Next. If you didn't receive a code, click Resend Code and we'll send you a new one. We need to know you're a real person. Enter your physical address. PO boxes or PMBs are not valid addresses. Once you fill out your address, click Next. Now it's time to add your social security number. This is required by federal banking regulations and allows us to facilitate the opening of a US bank account. It's important to know your information is kept private and will not be used to check your credit score. Once you enter in your number, click Next. Now you'll select your plan. Choose the plan which best fits your needs. If you need help choosing your plan, feel free to reach out to us at support@getsequence.io. After you select your plan, enter in your payment details and click Submit. Now there's a chance automatic verification may not work and we may ask you for proof of ID or address. If this happens, it'll take 1 to 2 business days for your information to be processed. Okay, you're almost there. We encourage all our users to read our terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once you have, check the box on the left-hand side and then click Create My Account. And that's it, you're done. Now it's time for the real fun to begin. To learn how to use Sequence, watch the next video. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below.